Hi, this is the introduction to temperature conversion using a website on the internet. Now we're at temperatureconversion.us and we're looking at the primary conversion screen. The screen is laid out so that you have a number of different temperature scales all on the same screen. The most common ones, Fahrenheit and Celsius here. Absolute scales, Kelvin and Rankine, and a few other scales. Most of these are a little bit older, except for the Electronvolt, which is fairly new. This site has a number of features. You can come down here and you can look at scale information. It changes as you scroll across the list of items that it has information on, mostly on the different scales. You can set your conversions up to round to the nearest decimal places. You could go for like 2 decimal places. If you'll notice, that just turned to 2, and it goes all the way up to 12. The default is 10, and in order to do a conversion on this website, all you need to do is put your cursor. Let's say if we want to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, I put my cursor right here, type in a new temperature. Let's say I do 15. There it is, 15 degrees Celsius equals 59 degrees Fahrenheit. There are a number of other features. This portion over here is a thermometer conversion, which means you can just basically click on these numbers and it'll change the temperatures. But this is the main gist of this site, converting temperatures. Let's say if it was, somebody said it was 22 degrees Celsius and you wanted, and that was what the weather temperature was right now, type 22, got 71.6 Fahrenheit. That's also down here in every one of these changed. Kelvin is 295.15, that's an absolute scale. Rankine, which is related to Fahrenheit, is 531.27. Some of these older ones, you might want to go and look these up if you have any interest in them. This one here, Delisle, is the Russian temperature scale. I'm not sure if they're using it now, but they used it up to the last few years. It's interesting. If I put like a 0, that comes out to the boiling point of water. If I put like 150, that becomes freezing point, which is like 32 Celsius, and 32 Fahrenheit and 0 degree Celsius. And for a slightly closer look, for our last conversion, we have outdoor temperature of 98 degrees Fahrenheit, gives us 36.666 degrees Celsius. This is temperatureconversion.us. Thanks for watching.